My name is Hayden Collette. I'm from Pismo Beach, California. So I have a 1998 C5 Corvette. It's on American Racing groove wheels, silver suspension coilovers, Wisefab front end. It's got a LQ9 6-liter iron block with a Brian Tooley Racing cam kit. She parties. It's a lot of fun. The track is very different from the last round. We're still running the same bank, but the course throughout the infield is completely different. I actually prefer this layout compared to the previous one. This is so much fun. I love this layout. So what I love about Hot Pit is that it's for the drivers. Jeff, RJ, Rob, they're all catering to us, asking for our input. We have so much sway in what's going on in the track layout and how it's organized, and it's amazing that just everyone is so involved with setting up and making this happen.